Launch Hair Letitan Titanium Flat Iron Honest Review. So, this product is one of the brand's best sellers, a slick titanium straightener that promises a salon level results at home. So, it's marketed with adjustable heat settings up to 450 Fahrenheit, fast heating and lightweight, and with ergonomic build. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Let's start with its performance. The titanium plates heat evenly and glides smoothly, which helps reduce snagging and frizz. Hair straightens quickly even for thick or coarse strands. And then, however, without a solid heat protectant, high temps can still cause dryness over time. So, you should maximize the hair volume or heat volume that according to your preferred temperature. So, design wise, it's stylish and sturdy, though the exteriors gets warm after long sessions. The swivel cord and auto shut off are nice safety features. And what's less impressive is that it has several users report of minor plate alignment issues and fading logos after months of use. Not deal breakers, but they are notable for a mid-range price tools. So, the pros of this product is that it has fast heating, it's smooth glide, great for thick hair and professional level finish. It's also great for thin hairs because of its adjustable heat feature. The cons is that it has potential heat damage if you misused it. It has minor build wear over time and slightly expensive outside their promo sales. So, for final verdict, this product is a solid performer for those who want a salon slick results fast, especially during discounts. But it's not revolutionary. If you already own a quality titanium flat iron, the upgrade is not urgent. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.